Wouldn't it be good if instead of having just a square picture-in-picture, we could have an irregular shaped picture-in-picture, such as this cloud? Let's see how we can do this using open source software and techniques. Okay, let's get stuck into it. Now, I know that I said that I was going to go step by step. I am going to revise that a little bit. What I'll be doing is I'll be outlining the general techniques being used. Now, for further information on any of these techniques, I've made other videos and I'll link those in the description below. So we'll move fairly rapidly. So what we need to do first is get a video that we want to have as our picture-in-picture. Okay, once we've got that video, it helps if you take a screen grab of the video so we can then go and create the shape that will be surrounding it. So how I do this is I take a screenshot or a screen grab from the video, and then I load it into the GIMP or any graphic manipulation sort of program. Let's create a new layer and we'll call that outline. Then let's get the pencil tool and let's make the general shape that we want our picture-in-picture to have. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to use the magic tool and select the outside of the shape. Add a new layer, and we will call this layer the mask. Now, with the outside bit selected, what we'll be doing is we'll change the color to green, because what we essentially want to do is create a green screen, and we use the bucket fill and we fill there. So what we have now is basically the mask. So if we undo the screen grab, we can see we have a mask, which we will then save. So we'll export it as a PNG with transparency, and I'm going to call it mask, and export. And so what you want to do now is open up an editor, a video editor, and place the mask over the video and then export that. And what that will do is that will create a video looking like this, which has the picture-in-picture with a green background. Once that's been exported, we then take this new video and we place it on top of a background video. Once that's done, all we have to do is use the Chroma-key function to remove the green background. And as you can see, we now have an irregular shaped picture-in-picture. From here, we can then change the scale and the position of it as desired. So I've gone fairly quickly. Further instructions will be linked in the description.